Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can import beats into Bandlab. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have a new project here and it is completely empty. And if I wanted to import something, I can just click here or drag and drop it if I want to. Now, you will of course need to have a MP3 or whatever sort of format file with the beat that you want to edit. For example, I'll just add the Baldur's Gate 3 OST, since I have those files because of a promotion that they did around Christmas. I'm pretty sure it was sort of a advent calendar, and I'll just click on that and it'll import it here. Now, this, for example, is an empty, a sort of ambient track. However, I'll add something different. For example, the actual OST, just upload that item. I could upload several. However, that is a feature of Opera GX, but in Baldur's Gate you can add however many tracks you would like. And yeah, now that it's imported, I can edit it however I want. If you have a format that supports different audio tracks, you can add that as well. But for example, just for this sound, I can enter the editor. I can slice it up. For example, if I set the tracker here and click S, it'll slice it up, as you can see here, which I won't be doing. I'll just reverse that. I could select this and increase the pitch, increase the speed, increase the region gain, which is just the volume. Go into effects. I can set up a preset or add an effect. I can go to auto pitch. I can do a lot of different things, but pretty much that is how you import your beats and your audio. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.